How's it going, Nate? Welcome back to the Great Green North. Welcome to part 1 out of 7 of the lawn care basics. First of all, we're going to start with one of my most frequently asked questions. What height do I mow my lawn at? Now let's get into it right now. So first of all, this is not a standard height that you can mow your lawn at all year. It varies per different seasons, and there's a reason for that. So starting in spring, you're going to cut your lawn at 3 inches. This is because a lot of times in the spring, there's a lot of crap in your lawn. So there'll be a lot of leaves, sticks, other things left over from the winter. So you're going to start at 3 inches in order to get all that stuff kind of mulched back into the soil and keep it from sitting on top. You're just trying to collect all the stuff sitting on top of the soil. You can bag on your first cut in the spring too, and that will help you collect all that crap up in the soil. Now from spring into summer, so this is from the start of May up here in Canada to about June, you're going to be moving from 3 inches to 4 inches. And the reason for that is this is the season where your lawn gets the most amount of top growth. So it allows you to be able to move it from 3 to 4 inches. Maybe when you tend to fall behind on mowing sometimes, you can bring it up that extra little bit. So that's one reason. The second reason is moving into the summer when you get that beating sun coming down all day, that tends to heat up the soil and it will cook the roots of the grass, and that's when you get die-off in the summer. Your grass turns all brown and goes dormant. So in order to keep your grass from going dormant longer, you cut your grass taller. That way it shades the root systems and keeps the soil a little bit more cool. As well as this, cutting your grass taller in the summertime gives it a larger leaf surface to collect more nutrients. So as we learned in school, photosynthesis is how plants collect nutrients. Larger blade surface collects more nutrients, gives your lawn a better chance of living throughout the summer. Now summer is finished, which is August up here in southern Ontario. Moving from August all the way down into wherever your lawn season ends, which ours is about mid-October, you're going to be coming from 4 inches all the way back to 3 inches or 2.75. Now the reason for this is your lawn is sticking up like this, and when the snow comes, it crushes it all down like a mat. And the more leaf surface you have for the snow to crush, the more chance of getting snow mold. Snow mold is when the grass cannot get oxygen in the wintertime and you get like an air pocket in between the snow and the grass. That is what causes snow mold. So the shorter your grass, the less chance of you getting snow mold or just a lot of winter die-off. Have a lot of thatch you have to clean out in the spring. And I have seen this. Sometimes I didn't get all the way down to 2.75 in the fall, and I had a lot of winter die-off to clean up next year. So the best way to do this, cut your lawn at 2.75. So coming out from August, you're going to slowly dial your lawn back with temperatures. If temperatures stay hot, you don't want to be dialing your lawn back too fast. All the way down to 2.75 at the end of the year to stop that winter die-off. So we're going to start the year at 3 inches. Then in the summer, when it's really hot, we're going to get more leaf surface. We're going to go up to 4 inches. And then just before the winter, we want to prevent that die-off, so we're going to cut at 2.75. That's the height that you need to cut your lawn at all year round. Thank you guys for watching this episode of the Great Green North. I would encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more lawn tips, real time, through the entire series. You guys can also check out my website and my Patreon if you're looking for custom lawn coaching all year round. Thank you for watching this episode of the Great Green North, and keep it green.